For those who follow the Nakruka on the VA8 even a little, it is no secret that its front beam has long been one shackle in the afterlife. For those who communicate with me, even a little, it is no secret that although I am a fan of Volga cars, I am not a fan of shackle suspensions. This is my personal opinion, and there's no need to throw shit at me mixed with comments about the advantages of such a suspension. No one disputes them, but everything has its pros and cons. Even my birth has its advantages. But they are just as insignificant as the shackle suspensions. From these theses, the conclusion is already obvious, like a dislike for this video. But this video wouldn't have come out if I hadn't messed up when buying the beam on the shims. When choosing the beam, I selected the most complete one that wasn't rotten. However, I only poked the screwdriver into the right shock absorber cup. I only poked at the left side when my friend had already brought this beam to its temporary place. I will do it before that. We take our hands off ourselves, then grab the angle grinder and clean the rust off the pesky metal. We take perforated metal pieces from Maxidom, specifically perforated, so it's harder to distinguish from the original metal. Then we drill a hole for the shock absorber. And here I send greetings to the future to all those couch experts who shouted that all of this is useless, that everything will break off and fall apart. We are welding the suspension brackets and giving them the necessary shape. We cut out pieces and attempt to deprive ourselves of yet another finger. We weld everything, preferably using an electrode for rust. To put the lever in place, the spring needs to be compressed. If you don't have a spring puller on hand, a truck with air suspension will work well for this. A huge thank you to everyone who helped and donated. Thanks to Vlad for delivering the beam. And of course a big thank you to Alexei Valerievich. Thank you to everyone who helped from a legal standpoint. I don't know how to express my gratitude.